video we will be seeing like how to uninstall PowerDB software. To uninstall, uh, type the Windows key and like press add or remove programs. When you press add and remove programs, like then it opens like apps and features. Type PowerDB. You can see like multiple install in my case, but user might be see only one. So if you want to uninstall the one version, like your version, or click on the version you want to uninstall, like press uninstall icon, then it pop up like uninstall. Once you click uninstall, like then Windows will ask for the permission, you give yes, then PowerDB will ask for the permission again, you press uninstall. Then it may take some time to process it, loading the components to uninstall. Then once that process is done, then you can see status bar start running with a green bar. It depends on the PCs. It may take some time to uninstall, but plus or minus 5 minutes or 2 minutes, depends on the memory size of the PCs. It will uninstall or install it actually. Yeah, once uninstall complete, it shows uninstall successfully completed tab. So you close on it. That's it. Your version was uninstalled from the PC. Then you can start installing the new version. Thank you.